Wonders of Turkish Islands. Bozcaada Island. Welcome to Bozcaada, one of Turkey's most enchanting Aegean islands, nestled just off the coast of Çanakkale. As the ferry approaches, you're greeted with the sight of a fairy tale castle standing sentinel over a charming harbor. The island is a serene blend of golden vineyards, rolling hills, and pristine beaches. With every breeze, the scent of the sea mingles with the fragrance of pine and thyme. Wander through narrow cobblestone streets lined with whitewashed houses, vibrant bougainvillea, and serene courtyards. Nature lovers will find solace in the unspoiled beauty of Ayazma Beach, with its crystal-clear waters and gentle waves lapping against soft sand. Bozcaada is not just about scenic views. It's a peaceful retreat that feels untouched by time. It's also one of the rare places where you can enjoy a sunrise over the Aegean and a sunset that paints the sky in hues of fire over the vineyards. Gökçeada Island. Venture further into the North Aegean, and you'll uncover Gökçeada, Turkey's largest island and a haven for untouched natural beauty. Formerly known as Imbris, this island is a treasure trove of emerald hills, secret coves, and freshwater streams. Gökçeada's charm lies in its raw and rugged landscape, where pine-covered mountains meet the turquoise sea. Visit Salt Lake, where flamingos gather in the spring, or hike through the lush forests of Marmaros waterfall. The island is a sanctuary for ecotourism, with protected areas that are home to rare bird species and wildlife. Unlike commercialized tourist destinations, Gökçeada is blissfully quiet, perfect for those seeking peace amidst nature. The air is fresh, the skies are wide, and the sea whispers stories of ancient mariners. Cedar Island, Cleopatra Island. Cedar Island, more famously known as Cleopatra Island, is nestled in the Gulf of Gökçeada near the southwestern coast of Turkey. According to legend, Cleopatra herself once swam in its crystal-clear waters, and the golden sands were brought from Egypt just for her. But beyond its romantic tale, Cedar Island is a natural spectacle. The island is covered in dense green forest, bordered by turquoise waters so transparent that you can see the seabed as if it were glass. Its beach is unlike any other in the world, composed of tiny shell particles that are protected by law. The interior of the island boasts ancient ruins hidden amongst the pines, where the calls of birds echo through marble columns and sun-dappled trees. A walk through its scenic trails feels like stepping into an untouched sanctuary from a forgotten era. Gökçeada Island. Hidden in the Mediterranean off the coast of Antalya lies Gökçeada, a stunning Turkish island famous for its sunken ruins and pristine beauty. As you glide over the translucent water, the outlines of an ancient Lycian city appear beneath the waves. This partially submerged world tells the story of civilizations lost to earthquakes but preserved under the calm blue sea. Above water, rugged hills blanketed with Mediterranean scrub rise against the sky, dotted with olive trees and wild herbs. The coastline is lined with quiet coves, sea caves, and dramatic cliffs. Kayaking over the ruins offers a surreal experience, as turtles swim beneath you and seabirds soar above. Gökçeada is a place where nature and history coexist in poetic silence, unbothered by the noise of modernity. Gemmeler Island. Off the coast of Fethi, nestled in the deep blue of the Mediterranean, lies Gemmeler Island, also known as St. Nicholas Island. This uninhabited gem is shrouded in myths and legends, offering not only historical intrigue, but also breathtaking natural beauty. The coastline is defined by steep hills covered in olive trees and fragrant shrubs, gently sloping into crystal-clear bays. The sea here is a vivid shade of turquoise, making it a favorite spot for yachts and eco-travelers seeking serenity. Climb to the top of the island to witness panoramic views of the Lycian coast and hidden coves below, where the waves gently lap against rocky shores. Ancient ruins from the Byzantine era are scattered among the pine groves, harmonizing with the wilderness in quiet splendor.